Have you ever felt that someone suddenly disappeared from your Instagram? You search for them, but their profile just doesn't show up. So the question is, did they block you or did they delete their account? Let me show you some simple and real ways to find out. So now, without wasting any more time, let's get started. So method number one, search their username. First go to Instagram, search and type their exact username. If their profile doesn't appear or you see no users found, it usually means one of two things. Either they blocked you or they deleted their account. So let's confirm it. Method 2. Open their profile using direct URL. This is a very simple method. Open any browser, type instagram.com/username. Now carefully see what happens. If the account opens and you can see the profile page but you cannot find the account inside the Instagram app, then it usually means they have blocked you. But if it shows page not found or this account isn't available, then the person has deactivated or deleted their account. This method makes things much clearer. Just remember one thing, it would be great if you will try this on incognito mode. Step 3. Check from another account. Ask a friend to search that username or use your second Instagram account. If the profile is visible there but not on your main account, that confirms it, you are blocked. It's better to ask a friend to check because if you create a new account on the same app device, Instagram may still restrict or block visibility. Method number 4. Check old messages. If you have chatted with that person before, open your DMs, tap on their profile from the chat. If the profile doesn't open, profile picture is missing, username looks blank, that's another strong sign that you are blocked. So now comes the method number 5. Try mentioning them in a comment or story using @ and the username. Just try to tag them. If the username doesn't appear or you can't tag them, that usually means they blocked you. Another important thing to know, you must have noticed one thing: when you block someone on Instagram, it gives you the option to block all other accounts of the person as well. So if someone has blocked you this way, making a new account will not solve the problem. Instagram will block all your accounts automatically. So that's pretty much how you can know if someone has blocked you on Instagram. If you guys liked the video, then drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and with that being said, I'm Devyan Sharan, and I will catch you in the next one.
Tequila sunrise.